The unboxing experience is clean, minimal, and professional, very much in line with SmallRig's established presentation standards. Inside the compact retail box, alongside the tripod itself, SmallRig includes a straightforward user manual that clearly illustrates deployment modes and safety considerations for suspended shooting. There is no unnecessary filler here. The packaging communicates confidence in the product's design, suggesting that the tripod itself is meant to be the focus rather than a long list of accessories. This SmallRig video tripod in carabiner shape is a thoughtfully engineered solution for creators who value adaptability, speed, and creative freedom. Its innovative carabiner design and integrated mantis hook go beyond visual differentiation, delivering genuine functional advantages in real-world shooting scenarios. For travel vloggers, action camera users, and content creators who regularly work in dynamic or constrained environments, this tripod offers a level of versatility that traditional mini tripods simply cannot match. Compact, lightweight, and intelligently designed, it earns its place as a highly practical, everyday carry accessory for modern content creation. At first contact, this tripod feels reassuringly solid for its size and weight. The body is constructed from a thoughtful combination of aluminum alloy, GF nylon, and silicone, resulting in a structure that feels rigid where it needs to be, yet comfortable in hand during prolonged handheld use. The defining feature is, of course, the openable carabiner design. Unlike decorative or fixed loops seen on other compact tripods, this is a functional, load-bearing component that genuinely changes how the accessory is used. When clipped to a backpack strap or belt loop, it remains instantly accessible, eliminating the need to dig through a bag during fast-moving shoots. Grip ergonomics are equally well considered. In handheld mode, the silicone-textured surfaces provide a secure, non-slip feel, even when shooting for extended periods or in warmer conditions. It offers broad compatibility with popular action cameras, including GoPro models, Insta360 Ace/Ace Pro, and DJI Osmo action devices. This makes it a versatile choice for creators operating across multiple camera ecosystems, without the need for brand-specific accessories. The four-section telescoping mechanism extends smoothly and locks confidently at each stage. Depending on configuration, the extension range covers approximately 6.4 inches to 13.6 inches, offering meaningful flexibility for framing without compromising rigidity. Despite its compact nature, the pole remains impressively stable, even when fully extended with an action camera mounted.